卵サンドが食べたい。
Did someone say egg?
はい、じゃあ今日は2種類の卵サンド作っていきます。One is a classic egg salad sandwich with egg and mayonnaise filling, and another is Dashi Maki Sando, which is a Kyoto-style layered omelette sandwich with spicy karashi mayonnaise. So let's get cooking!
Sounds good to me.
Okay, so first I'm going to make the Dashi Maki Sando. So here I'm cracking eggs, and I'm going to mix them up.
Okay.
Yeah, so here I'm making a bit of a mess, as you can see.
That's not bad.
It's part of the art.
I've seen worse.
So, 卵3つで4つ目を入れていきますと。
はい。
I'm gonna mix them up. I'm making quite a bit of a mess here.
Yeah, both beef.
Yeah.
You gotta aerate it.
Like a professional.
Yep.
So I'm mixing it really, really well here. And then now I'm gonna add shiro dashi, which is dashi flavored soy sauce, and water to make it fluffy.
Right. So you add quite a bit of liquid.
Yes, that's a trick to making it super fluffy. Now I'm gonna make the layered omelette. So I'm gonna spread some oil. Don't be stingy here. So traditionally you would make this with a dashi maki, like tamagoyaki pan. So if we have a specific pan to make it like perfectly square, but
Kind of like a rectangle.
yeah, but you know, a good chef doesn't need all the right tools, so we're going with a round pan.
It works out in the end.
So I'm using two katanas here. One is chopsticks and another is a spatula. And pour some more egg mixture in here to make it layered.
Yeah, you just repeat this process. Flip, pour, flip,
So
pour.
patience is key. And add more egg mixture. Yeah. So you have to break the bubbles. Eggs will naturally form these bubbles, so you have to break them to make sure that there's no air pockets in the omelette.
Right.
Yeah, pro tip there.
Pro tips.
あと少し頑張って作っていきましょう。Okay, so make it all pretty.
Very pretty.
Yeah, it's looking great here, as you can see. You know? But in Japanese, we have to say 終わりよければすべてよし, which is
It's all good in the end.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's our goal here. So we'll roll it up. And yeah, it's looking alright. It's looking alright.
All right.
And that's the last part of the egg mixture.
Okay, last flip.
So let's see. So if we can make this okay, then we're good. Alright, it's looking good. It's looking okay. いい感じ.
So you gotta clean it up a bit here, right?
Oh yes, so I've got some kitchen towel here and I'm gonna make it all pretty. So yeah, a bit of cheating here. But it's all good.
It's all good in the end.
Yeah. ありよければすべてよし. There you go.
Nice.
So now I'm gonna make the karashi mayonnaise. So here's the karashi powder. So here in Japan you can get karashi paste as well, but then I'm fancy, so I'm gonna make it from scratch. So I'm mixing the karashi powder with water, and I just made karashi paste here, and I've got mayonnaise. I'm gonna mix
it all up.
Yeah, so this is yeah, so karashi mayonnaise that will spread on the bread.
On the bread.
You got shokupan, which is Japanese milk bread. Nice and square. We're going to chop off the ends because the goal is to make a sandwich that doesn't require teeth.
your grandmother can eat this sandwich.
Yes, exactly. So I'm gonna chop off the ends, make it perfectly square, and spread the karashi mayonnaise. There we go. これだけでも美味しそう。And this will make good breakfast, right?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
So I'm gonna spread it equally, both sides, and then I'm gonna chop off the ends of the omelette to make it fit the bread, the sides of the bread perfectly.
What do we do with the ends?
Oh, eat it!
Can I have it?
Yes, absolutely. So now here is the important part. We're gonna sandwich the omelette with the bread and wrap it up and cut it in half. So here's the moment of truth.
Moment of truth.
どうでしょうか？ドキドキ。Cut it up. 怖い。And there we go! じゃらーん！じゃじゃーん！美味しそう。
来ました。Getting a bit steamy in here.
なんかちょっと家がサウナみたいになってきました。So we're gonna move on to the next sandwich, which is the egg salad sandwich. So here we got these cute tiny eggs boiling.
Very cute.
Super small here. And we're gonna cut them in half and scoop out the yolk first. So you might be wondering what we're doing here.
Yeah. There's a few steps here, so.
And next we're gonna chop up the egg white.
Yep.
So ちょっとこれめんどくさいですね。
Yeah.
はい。ちょっと波動拳使いたいところなんですけれども、ちょっと使えないので手でいきます。
You need Honda for that, I think.
And we're gonna make a special kind of sandwich today. So we're actually gonna add scrambled eggs. So we're gonna have two textures. One is the boiled egg and the other is scrambled eggs. So here I've got 2 eggs and some fresh cream, and I'm gonna stir it intensely. 混ぜ混ぜ混ぜ混ぜ混ぜ混ぜ混ぜ。And the heat's not on yet.
Right.
We're just mixing it here.
Like a bechamel sauce.
Bechamel, yeah, there's not milk in it. But yeah, I just turned on the heat and I'm stirring it until it's super, super creamy.
Nice.
This reminds me of metamon.
Oh, ditto, right?
Yeah.
It's gonna metamorphosize into something tasty here.
Yes, except the color is yellow instead of purple.
Yellow ditto.
Yeah, so you got the egg is almost done.
Looks good.
So patience is key here.
Oh.
Okay, so time to put them all together. So we got the egg white, and now we are smashing the egg yolk. So it's super nice and powdery.
Great.
And yeah, we got the scrambled egg that we just made, and mayonnaise.
All the mayonnaise.
All the mayonnaise that you can find in your house. And sugar for sweetness, salt, and time to mix it up. Can you see how creamy that is?
Yeah.
Like it's super creamy, but the egg white and the scrambled egg, like it's all giving different interesting textures. So yeah, let's put them together into a sandwich. They got bread slices, and we're gonna add the egg mixture on top of the bread. ここでケチったらいけないので、たっぷり乗せましょう。
Don't cheap out on the egg here.
And we'll use the plastic wrap again to make it all pretty.
Squeeze it all good there.
And this one, it's gonna be a little bit harder to cut, so let's see how we go. Struggling a bit here. Struggling a little bit here. Oh yeah!
All worth it.
Yeah. 売り物みたいですね。はい。
Gonna pack it all up for sale here.
Yeah, so I've got this super cute plastic container that I got from the 100 yen shop down the road. And yeah, I'm gonna put them together. All nice and pretty. これ売ってたら2000円ぐらい出して買うんじゃないでしょうか。
Worth about 2,000 yen?
Yeah.
$20? I think so. Okay, time to taste.
はい、じゃあまずは卵サラダサンドから食べていきます。美味しそうもぐもぐもぐ。これはすごいクリーミーで美味しいですね。やっぱスクランブルエッグが最高です。
Creamy goodness.
じゃあ次はだし巻きサンド食べていきます。これは私食べるの初めてです。
First time trying this one.
あ、これはやっぱマスタードがピリッときててちょっと大人の味で最高。美味しい。